Hey fam, Teigan Fox here. Today, we are going to go over really quick our FoxxeFam Discord restructure and verification update. Hello family. We are making some significant updates to the FoxxeFam Discord community, including role restructuring, updated applications, member verification, and community organization. This update is not disciplinary, personal, or directed towards any individual member. It is simply part of building a stronger, safer, and more organized community moving forward. Why is this happening? Over time, our Discord has grown and evolved. Roles have changed, benefits have changed, community programs have changed, applications have changed. As a result, the most efficient and accurate solution is to rebuild our member records rather than attempting to manually review and update every existing account individually. This allows us to ensure that every member receives the correct roles, permissions, benefits, and community access. New applications and role assignments. As parts of this process, all members will be required to complete the current application process. This allows us to assign updated roles, verify member information, apply current community standards, ensure permissions are accurate, maintain organized records, introduce new application questions and requirements. Rather than attempting to update years of records manually, all members will simply start fresh under the new system. Now, let's go over your subscriber verification. Subproofs are now required only for anyone wishing to use subscriber benefits, subscriber pricing, tier benefits, subscriber-only areas in the Discord and FoxxeFam spaces, resubscription rewards and milestones. Subproofs remain our official verification method for subscription benefits. Please remember that some automated tools may show active subscriptions, but do not always distinguish between gifted subscriptions and personally purchased subscriptions. For this reason, subproofs continue to be required for subscriber benefits and resubscription programs. For Discord access, members without current verification may lose access to non-public Discord areas only until verification is completed. This is not a punishment. It is simply part of ensuring that the community access benefits and permissions are accurate under the new structure. Now, the purpose of our Discord? As our systems have expanded, Discord is no longer the primary location for announcements, schedules, or contacting staff. Members can access information through our website, teiganfoxxe.com, TEIGANFOXXE, social platforms, streams, and other official channels. The primary purpose of the FoxxeFam Discord now is a community participation server. I can't talk today. Community participation server. It exists for members who wish to engage with the community, participate in events, interact with other members, and enjoy the community experience, as well as join us live, be in voice chats, things like that. Not all people like voice chat because some members are very private, and we have a lot of anonymous and a lot of introverted members, and I love that, and I love you. All our members interact where they are comfortable, but non-interaction is not a choice in the Discords at all, none of them anymore. Private services and special access. Some services may require temporary Discord access for operational purposes, such as private meetings, calls, consultations, or scheduled experiences. Access for these services may be granted as needed and adjusted when the service has been completed. Creators are always welcome. Creators remain welcome within the FoxxeFam community. We love our FoxxeFam streamer fam. This policy applies equally to all members and is intended to create a fair, organized, and community-focused environment for everyone. Now, how to submit your subproof. Please watch the tutorial video below for step-by-step instructions. There is the link to our YouTube video. It will walk you right through. It is literally a very short video and super easy to do. Thank you for your patience and cooperation as we complete this transition. These updates are designed to create a stronger, more organized, and more community-focused FoxxeFam for everyone. Fam first always. Love, Teigan Foxxe.